Here's the Canyon model. This one's going to show as a 3-car garage. This particular buyer opted for an extra bedroom. So technically this Canyon is 3,679 square feet, 3,679 square feet. Single story, 4-bedroom with a den, game room, 3.5 bath, and a 4-car garage. So let's take a look. So I just come to the front door. To my right, to me would be like a formal dining area, actually. This may be the home office. I apologize, open office area. This here is that flex room or additional second open room, TV room. Come down the hall. Straight ahead is going to be a full bath, double sinks. And these are great upgrades that this particular buyer opted for because they do not have the Canyon anywhere in the valley as a model. The bedrooms are actually really good size. This is the bedroom 1 here. Linen closet in between. And then bedroom 2 over here. Back down the hall. Here's your front door. Open kind of office area setup if you'd like. And then if you veer to the left here, this is going to be the formal dining right here. Open up to the family room right there. And as we come across, here's your family room. There's your eat-in kitchen, which is a huge section here. And there's the kitchen island. Sales agent let me know that the Canyon is a new floor plan that Mayor Kay's rolled out. And so far they're building it here at Spur Crossing, Pathfinder South. Here's the master. This is a huge master. You've got this sit-in nook area. This is probably one of the largest master bedrooms I've seen in a long time. Linens here. Boy, it's a walk-in linen closet. Wow. Large shower, bath. This says that this was an option. I think this person expanded the master closet. I'm going to ask the sales agent to double check because you've got all this. You turn here and you have this, and then this just goes in. I mean, this could fit a small compact car in here. And I was reading below, it says optional expanded master closet. Through the master closet, though, heads into the laundry room area with additional storage. This is the garage. This is to the 2-car garage side right here. Bath. So technically, so that you know, this bedroom is the smallest one. This is the 4th bedroom. That next door, right next to it, is the 3rd-car garage that's separated. So I'm wondering, this technically is supposed to be the 4th car. I'll have to ask. Basically its own bathroom in this bedroom. with a walk-in closet. And this is the entry closet. As I come back this way through here, your walk-in pantry to the kitchen. So this is the wing that's got the laundry room to the left that also leads into the master. You've got the 2-car garage, and over here to the right is the 4th car with the bathroom, 4th bedroom. Master. Huge living space. Very open and very beautiful, but a lot of square footage. I will refine more details with the sales agent regarding where that 4th car garage. I'm assuming we would lose that 4th bedroom for it. Just going through this one more time for you.